before we get started, let's go ahead and get something out the way. This is my hair. It's not a wig. This is all mine. All mine. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nikki. For those of you who don't know who I am, again, I'm Nikki. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And for everyone, don't forget to like, give this video a thumbs up, share, and comment down below. I would truly appreciate it if you guys did those little things for me. Anywho, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look right here. I call it my like a pink rose gold type of halo eye effect, you know, got that going on, you know, whatever. But anyway, on all seriousness, today's look is going to be on this beautiful rose gold halo eye. I love it so much. I used one of the Huda Beauty's mini palettes, which the Mauve palette, which is amazing. I love it so much. The shadows are super duper pigmented, as you can see on my eyes. They are so pigmented, and Huda Beauty makes some amazing products anyway. So let's just go ahead and just give credit where credit is due. But anywho, you guys, so I decided to film this makeup tutorial. I haven't been filming that much lately. So much has just been going on. Been super duper busy working so much, and today I finally got the time and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna film a video and I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial, and I'm also gonna have some more videos coming for you guys really soon. I've gotten a lot of compliments on my hair. It really didn't take much for me to get this style. So comment down below if you'd like me to do a hair tutorial and show you guys how I get my curly fro and how I get my curls like so defined or whatever. Well, they're not really that defined. There's like a lot of frizz happening right now. But I feel like my curls are pretty tight though. But this is a 1 day old wash and go. So I'm just gonna let this, yeah, it's really just a wash and go. So I can definitely do a hair tutorial and show you guys how I get this look and how I achieve it and all the things that I do. So just comment down below in the comment section if you want to see a hair tutorial. So guys, I'm not gonna talk your head off. I'm not gonna do a whole lot of rambling. But if you guys want to see how I got this look, then of course just continue to watch. Alright guys, so first I'm starting off with priming my skin, and I'm using the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. This primer is Beige. I use it in every single video. I haven't used another primer. This has been my Beige, my ride or die. Alright you guys, so next I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm using the shade Coconut. On camera it looks like, you know, it's a little teensy bit darker, but it actually matched my skin really perfectly. I am still walking around with a tan, even though we're on the last leg of summer. It's still hot and I'm still tanning, so this is like the only foundation that I have that just matches me to the T. The other ones are like a little bit lighter, and I was just like, you know what, well, I'm not about to just go buy a bunch of summer colors when fall and winter are coming. But anywho, next I'm going in with the MAC Pro Longwear concealer. I'm using the shade NC42 to highlight the points of my face that I always highlight. I'm going in underneath my eyes, chin, cupid's bow, down the bridge of my nose, and of course my forehead. I do my concealer the same way, highlighting the same, nothing different. I ain't switching it up. But I don't use this concealer too often, but I do love it. I love them. All MAC products are like really great to me. MAC was the first brand that I actually started out using, so this concealer is really bomb. It's pretty thick. The coverage is amazing. I love it so much. I always double layer up on my concealer to kind of like give me that coverage that I like. and just to kind of highlight, you know, just a tad bit more. But I'm going in, of course, with my Eco Tools beauty sponge, which is a sponge that I use to apply my foundation and my concealers. As you can see, I'm getting a little winded because blending is hard. It's hard and it's time consuming, but hey, that's okay. It's okay. That's what you do. That's what you do. But anywho, I'm just continuing to blend that out with my beauty sponge, and yeah, we just gonna keep on blending, keep on blending. I will stand in the mirror for like 30 minutes blending because I get real paranoid about having creases and lines of demarcation on my face. So yeah, I definitely have to make sure I'm blending. Yeah, get it right. Anywho, next I'm going in to contour, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Truffle. This is by far one of my favorite products to contour with. I just recently started to use it, but ever since I bought it, I've been using it every time I do my makeup. This is the only thing that I reach for. It's a great stick to contour with, and I just love it so much. And of course, I just draw lines on the side of my face, forehead, chin, and down my nose, just to kind of get it, you know, a bit more snatched. And then I'm going in with this contour brush to really just blend that product on out to give me a nice and smooth contour. Alright everybody, once I have put on my contour, I'm going in to set my concealer, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Banana. Now I'm not going to bake, I'm just going to push that product into my skin to set all the places that I apply my concealer. This is just to help my concealer not crease, to help it stay all day. I don't have to tell you guys so much about this product. You know I use it all the time. Alright you guys, next I'm going in to set my foundation. I'm using the NYX foundation powder, Stay Matte Not Flat, in the shade Chestnut. I use the shade Chestnut to go all over my face. And then I also use another foundation powder by NYX, same thing, but I use a different color, warm beige, to just kind of go in and just set underneath my eyes and anywhere I apply that concealer. I like doing this extra step because it helps just bring the brightness back to my eyes, and it doesn't give me any flashback at all. It's amazing how this powder just brightens everything back up and just brings some life back to my face, you know. Next, going in to contour just a little bit more, I'm taking the Black Radiance face powder pressed powder in the shade Cafe, and I'm using this to further contour my face, just kind of shape it out a little bit more. And for blush, I'm using the Wet n Wild Coloricon Baked Blush in the shade Dare to Soar. For highlight, I'm going in with my Maybelline Master Chrome highlight in the shade Molten Gold. This is my favorite highlighter of life. And next, going into the Huda Beauty, the Mauve palette. This is one of the mini palettes. I love those little palettes so much. They're so cute. I'm taking this kind of burgundy shade, and I'm going to apply that into my crease. I'm going to use this as a transition color, and there's that crease color as well. So I'm just going to take it going into my crease, and I'm going back and forth like a windshield wiper motion, and I'm just going to drag the color out a little bit just to kind of give it like a mini winged effect. But I'm mostly concentrating that color within the crease and just kind of gradient, give it a gradient effect to just kind of go out. But next I'm going to go in, I'm taking this darker brown shade, and I'm going to pop that on the outer portion of my eye and in the inner portion. So this is going to give the eye a halo effect, and I'm going to keep building that color because I want it to look a little bit smoky. I know some people think that, you know, smoky eye use black. I didn't want it to look harsh, but I wanted it to look smoky, so that's why I opted for the darker brown shade. And I think it made the look not too harsh, but it definitely gave it that smoke that it needed. So I was very happy and I was very impressed with that color. I'm just gonna keep blending away. Next, I'm just going in with the fluffy brush and I'm just gonna just blend that color out, just to make sure everything is just blended out seamlessly. And I'm just gonna tap a little bit more of that color on because I did lose some of that smoke when I kind of blended it out. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more color. Alright guys, next I'm going in with this rose gold shadow. It's so beautiful. I love it so much. I'm going to just pat this color in the center of my lid, and this is just going to be the star of the show, one of the stars of the show for this look. So of course I'm just going to do the same for the other eye and just kind of just pat it in the middle and just kind of blend it out. Once I pat it, I just kind of swipe it and just blend it out a little bit more. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. Now I did add some lashes and I added a liquid lipstick in the shade Stilla, Patina, in the shade Patina by Stilla, and I lost that footage, so I'm sorry you guys. Alright guys, so that was the finished look. Thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel and being super duper supportive. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. Give this video a thumbs up, share, comment down below. All feedback is welcome. Even if you a hater, go ahead and comment down below anyway. And if you're like me, you love just positive and you want to spread love, let's go ahead and just spread some love down in that comment section. And let's subscribe to my channel. Once again, let's like this video and let's share it with all of our friends and all of our family. And thank you guys so much. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.